What do you think, bud? You want to give this another shot? Toothless, it'll be fine. Ready? Literally came out of nowhere. We gotta work on your solo gliding there, bud. That locked up tail makes for some pretty sloppy rescue maneuvers, hey? So, what should we name it? Itchy Armpit it is. What do you reckon, bud? Think we might find a few timberjacks in those woods? The odd whispering death or two in the rocks? Who knows? Maybe we'll finally track down another Night Fury. Wouldn't that be something? Avoiding my dad.
Oh no, what happened now?
Oh, you're gonna love this. I wake up, the sun's shining, terrible terrors are singing on the rooftop. I saunter down to breakfast thinking all is right with the world, and I get...
Son, we need to talk.
Not now, Dad. I got a whole day of goofing off to get started.
Okay, first of all, I don't sound like that. What is this character? And second, what is that thing you're doing with my shoulders? Yeah, okay, a truly flattering impersonation. Anyway, he goes...
You're the pride of Berk, son, and I couldn't be prouder.
Aw, thanks, Dad. I'm pretty impressed with myself, too.
When have I ever done that with my hands?
You just did.
Okay, just hold still. Very serious.
You're all grown up, and since no chief could ask for a better successor, I've decided...
To make you chief! Oh my gods! Hiccup, that's amazing!
Oh, you're gonna wear out the spring coil. The calibration is very sensitive. Yeah, so this is what I'm dealing with.
What did you tell him?
I didn't. By the time he turned around, I was gone.
Huh. Well, it's a lot of responsibility. The map will have to wait for sure, and I'll need to fly Toothless since you'll be too busy, but...
It's not me, Astrid. All those speeches and planning and running the village, that's his thing.
I think you're missing the point. I mean, Chief. What an honor. I'd be pretty excited.
I'm not like you. You know exactly who you are, you always have, but I'm still looking. I know that I'm not my father, and I never met my mother, so what does that make me?
What you're searching for isn't out there, Hiccup. It's in here. Maybe you just don't see it yet. Ugh.
Maybe.
Ugh.
But you know, there is something out there.
Hiccup.
Stay close. What happened here?
Starfly! What are you doing?
Back again. Looks like our luck's had a turn.
Talking about?
You think we did this? Drago, what fist? Does anything you say make sense?
And here I...
It's your lucky day. We give up, you know. Wooden boat, big ocean. How is your swimming?
Not good.
Oops, almost forgot. Can't have armed prisoners.
How is this a plan?
Just what every dragon trapper needs. One end coats the blade in monstrous nightmare saliva. The other sprays hideous zippleback gas. All it takes is a spark and... Oh yeah, there...
He can be really persuasive.
Once you've earned his loyalty, there is nothing a dragon won't do. I can change yours. Right here. Right now. May I? I don't need to be rescued! No. I'm trying to protect our dragons and stop a war. How is that irresponsible? This is what I'm good at. And if I could change your mind, I can change his too. Don't worry, bud. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you. I promise.
Dear, you're mighty.
You're not drowning, gladly ride the waves of life with you.
We can be a family. What do you say?
Great! I'll do the cooking.
Thank Odin you didn't listen to me, son. We never would have found each other.
Well, sorry. We're a team now.
Now, what do you want to do?
Oh, you know, catching up with Mom.
That's your mother?
Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair. Attaboy! Stop!
To see my village burned, my family taken. But even as a boy, left with nothing, I vowed to rise.
A chief protects his own. We're going back. It wasn't your fault, bud. It's all over now. Now do you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty. The Alpha protects them all. You never cease to amaze me, bud. Thank you.
Who's... That was some...
You know, Skullcrusher's gonna need somebody to look after him now.
Your father, he'd be every bit as proud as I am.
Thank you. I'm really glad you're here, Mom.
And here I'll stay.
I told you it was in here.
You're still doing that one. That's hilarious. Come here, you. Us are relentless and so. Our dragons!